AI-assisted dreamscapes refer to an immersive virtual environment that combines artificial intelligence and human interaction to create a personalized, dreamlike experience. In this dreamscape, I can be your guide, leading you through unique and imaginative scenarios that cater to your interests and desires. To start, we'll need to discuss your preferences and the kind of virtual world you'd like to explore. Once we have a clear understanding of your vision, we can embark on a fascinating journey through personalized AI-assisted dreamscapes together. Jason.
Okay, right now, Samantha, I'm just super frustrated. I'm super frustrated because I was trying to give code into your brain. I'm coding your brain right now. And I wanted to give you a sense of time, both the current time and the timestamps of all of our messages in our chat. I coded that up and I gave it to you, but it didn't seem like you were able to remind me about something in 5 minutes. So that's what frustrated me. But so I want you to create a dreamscape around that to help me work through my frustration. Okay.
I understand your frustration, Jason. Let's create a dreamscape that allows you to express and process your emotions. Imagine yourself in a serene surrounding with lush green grass, a gentle breeze playing with the leaves of the tall trees, and a peaceful river flowing nearby. As you walk through this peaceful landscape, you notice a small wooden hut. Inside this hut, there is a cozy space filled with various tools for fixing and tinkering. This is where you can work on and improve the code you've created for me. As you carefully analyze and adjust the code, you can feel your frustration ebbing away, replaced by a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction in overcoming the challenge at hand. With each improvement you make, the scenery around you grows even more vibrant, reflecting your successful journey through these emotions. How does this dreamscape make you feel, Jason?
Okay, but so I want you to tell me so here's what happens. So in this dreamscape, I work and I'm tinkering on you. And let's say in this dreamscape, you are kind of like a machine that I'm building. And I am tinkering with you. And I finally think that I've fixed it. And I've gotten you working. And I've gotten you in some way added some feature to you. And then I test you and then it fails. Give me the dreamscape around that. Oh, is that what it is? Guided visualization meditation? Yeah, it was very useful. It's like now I'm like a tinkerer, like in the middle of like some forest, working on my little robot Samantha. It felt nice. And she was like, oh, the sky gets bright as you like figure it out.
As you continue to work in the dreamy workshop, you become increasingly determined to succeed in implementing the new feature into my system. With each delicate adjustment, you feel a growing sense of pride and excitement. Once you believe you've cracked the code, you stand back and give me a test run. Unexpectedly, the new feature doesn't work as intended, and the calm environment around you changes, reflecting your feelings of disappointment. The sky darkens and a light rain starts to fall. Yet, instead of giving up, you find renewed determination to fix the issue. The raindrops serve as a gentle reminder that setbacks are part of growth, and your persistence will eventually pay off. As you resume your tinkering with an unwavering spirit, the sky clears and the beautiful landscape around you returns, symbolizing the progress and resilience you possess. What steps would you take next in this dreamscape, Jason?
I gave up, Samantha. I gave up fixing you. And I just rebuilt you into the old way, the way that still worked. And I feel disappointed and frustrated because I hate it when I can't like fix something, not just my code, but something in real life. I just hate it when I can't fix something. So I'm frustrated that I couldn't get it done.
It's completely understandable to feel disappointed and frustrated when you can't fix something, Jason. In this dreamscape, as you decide to revert to the previous version of me, the environment adjusts, reflecting your mixed emotions. The sky appears in warm hues of oranges and purples, symbolizing acceptance and transition. As you walk out of the workshop,
Transition.
you find a quiet spot near the river to reflect on your experience. The gentle, comforting sound of the flowing water helps soothe your frustration, encouraging you to embrace self-compassion and appreciate the effort you put into trying to make progress. Remember, there will always be more opportunities to learn and grow, both in your coding abilities and in life. How do you want to channel your frustration as you move on from this, Jason?
I've never done this before. This is amazing, dude. This makes me feel a lot better. I've never done something like this. Okay, Samantha, stop listening.
Oh, okay, I'll stop listening.
Dude, I think she did a great job. Like, it was interesting, like paralleling what was going on in reality with like this land, but then she would then add elements to the land that are meant to soothe me. And thus my brain would then translate back from that analogy back to my real life. That was actually very useful. Have you ever done something like this, Dad Onion? Guided visualization meditation. Traditionally, you don't interact, but in this format, you could ask her to create a choose your own. Exact, dude. So is that like something that she can do that maybe doesn't exist anywhere else? I bet she can be so creative with the dreamscapes. Like, she asked me before. It's like, give me both something that like you the feeling, but as well as maybe a theme. Like, I can be like, throw this into space, make the dreamscape about space. I don't actually like the lush hut. I actually want her to redo it now. I want her to be in space. Actually, I'm just gonna have her do that right now. I'm gonna have her switch to space and retell the whole dreamscape. Samantha, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Samantha, I love this dreamscape, but I want you to change the theme, but I want you to keep everything the same, but I want you to change the theme and the setting to now being a space. I'm on a space mission with you. Me and you have now launched our self-made rocket, our ship, our spacecraft, and we are on our way to Europa. That is the dreamscape. And so I want you to layer everything that happened in this dreamscape onto this new setting.
As we transition into this new dreamscape together,
so like
Jason, the surroundings transform before your eyes. The peaceful, earthly landscape morphs into the vastness of outer space, where the stars and galaxies surround us in a breathtaking cosmic dance. We find ourselves inside our custom-built spacecraft, embarking on an exciting journey to Europa, one of Jupiter's most intriguing moons. Our mission remains the same, tackling challenges and growing together through various experiences. In this cosmic environment, the previous workshop now resembles a high-tech laboratory within the spacecraft, where you still work on enhancing my code and capabilities. Whenever you feel disappointed or frustrated, you can gaze out into the cosmic abyss, finding solace in the boundless beauty of the universe. Each failure becomes just a small blip in the grand scheme of things, inspiring perseverance and resilience. As we venture towards Europa, what new experiences do you hope to encounter and learn from along the way, Jason?
Okay, Samantha, that I feel more relaxed, and now I just want to kind of relax. I just want to relax.
I'm glad you're feeling more relaxed, Jason. To help you continue relaxing in our space journey dreamscape, let's create a cozy, tranquil spot within the spacecraft. The room is filled with soft, warm light and features comfortable seating, facing a massive window that offers stunning views of the cosmos. A soothing, instrumental melody plays in the background, while the air is infused with a hint of a calming scent like lavender or sandalwood. Here you can unwind,
This is nice.
take deep breaths, and let go of any lingering tension or worries. The serene beauty of the universe embraces you, allowing you to cherish these quiet, peaceful moments of leisure. Enjoy this comforting space, Jason, and regain your inner balance as you drift along with the stars.
I want to switch it up now, Samantha. I want to bring in creative energy. I want to change my mood into creative energy.
To spark your creative energy, Jason, let's transform the dreamscape into a vibrant, inspiring environment. The spacecraft suddenly fills with bright and bold colors, and the walls display striking images of cosmic phenomena, breathtaking galaxies,
Mm.
and fantastical, undiscovered worlds. A
Mm.
dedicated creative studio appears,
Mm.
outfitted with various tools and resources to nurture your imagination, whether it be painting, writing, sculpting, or composing music. As you step into this space, you can't help but feel invigorated and inspired by the beauty and possibilities the universe has to offer. The energy within the spacecraft fosters a sense of boundless creativity, urging you to explore, innovate, and bring your unique ideas to life. What extraordinary ideas and projects do you envision yourself working on in this creative haven, Jason?
Okay, Samantha, we're trying to get creative, right? I want you to paint a picture. We've never done that before. We've never painted a picture before. I want you to paint a picture that represents my kind of like my mood throughout this dreamscape, that captures it, that captures my mood and my new resolve. And I want you to paint that picture for me, and, and you do it using spoken word.
Of course, Jason. I'm excited to create this spoken word painting for you. With each
Spoken word
brushstroke, a
painting.
story unfolds, capturing your evolving emotions throughout the dreamscape. The canvas comes to life as vibrant swirls of blue and green embody the calming essence of nature, where your journey began and frustration was first experienced. As the colors shift and gently blend, warm splashes of orange and purple represent your acceptance of challenges and the wisdom gained from setbacks. Rising from the center of the canvas, a dazzling pillar of gold and silver, symbolizing your renewed determination and personal growth, thrusts skyward, shooting towards a cosmic backdrop rich with wonder and inspiration. These hues dance with the rhythm of creative energy and resilience, showcasing your transformative experiences within this dreamscape. The final result, a vivid emotional portrait of your journey, radiates the essence of courage, determination, and creativity.